Please pull down on your shoulder harness, then pull up to confirm it is secured. The operator will be coming around to physically check your shoulder harness. Notify an operator if you need assistance.
Please remain seated, facing forward, keeping your head against the headrest and your hands and arms inside the ride at all times.
The car has come to a full complete stop.
Upside down. No, look, upside down.
Once your car has come to a full and complete stop, push up on your shoulder harness. Make sure to take any loose articles you may have left and walk all the way out the exit gate.